Hola. This lesson is also about adjectives, but this time we're going to focus on the exceptions. So the rule was if an adjective is for something that is feminine, it ends in A. For masculine, it ends in O. Anything plural, you would add an S. Alto, masculine. Alta, feminine. Altos, masculine, plural. The exceptions are only 4, and they're lined out here for you. The first one is ista, as in our vocabulary word, deportista. So the ending ista. That can be used for both masculine and for feminine. Él es deportista, ella es deportista. Stays the same. If it is plural, ellos son deportistas. Ellas son deportistas. The next exception, paciente. If it ends in the letter E, as in paciente, it stays the way it is. The same way for sociable. Él es sociable, ella es paciente. Stays the same. No change if it ends in the letter E. The third exception is the word joven. Joven can be used for both masculine or feminine. Él es joven, ella es joven. So masculine or feminine stays the way it originally is in joven. Want to make it plural? That's where it gets a little bit funky. If it's plural, it is jóvenes. We add an accent and then es. Las muchachas son jóvenes. All feminine, and they're all plural, you would say jóvenes. If you want to say all masculine and all plural, you would still use jóvenes. So that's where it gets a little bit funky. The last one, the ending for dor. This is the one with the most variety. So the word trabajador, hardworking, trabajador. That is singular masculine. Dor, singular masculine. You want to make it feminine? Trabajador a. You add the letter A. If you want to make it plural, masculine, trabajador es with an ES. That is masculine plural. And feminine plural is trabajadoras, AS. Feminine plural. Those are your 4 exceptions. Ista, joven, and dor. Now let's give those a little practice.